Welcome learner, today we are going to learn about determine, grudge, necromancer, nominate, and mesmerized. And I hope that this video will brighten your day while increasing your vocabulary.
Let's begin, shall we?
The first word, determine. Determine means firmly decide. That's literally it, boys. Sentence example. Shahmi is determined to create a YouTube channel, but he cannot decide the content yet. Let's move on to the second word, grudge. The definition of grudge is a persistent feeling of ill will or resentment resulting from a past insult or injury. I know it's very hard to understand, therefore I made you a video. Let's watch it together, shall we?
Hubby, do you remember what day is today?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Sentence example. I never hold a grudge against you even though you forgot my birthday. Third word, necromancer. Necromancer? Yes. The definition of this bad boy is using the spirit of the dead for revealing the future or influencing the course of events. Yeah, it's very hard. I didn't get it at the first time too. Therefore, I made you a video. Let's watch it together.
Shall we?
As a necromancer, I am going to use my magic and my wand to summon you, the Demon Lord. Tomato, papaya, banana. Wow!
I am the Demon Lord. Wait, what? I am a giraffe. What?
A necromancer can resurrect dead bodies and control spirits, says the narrator in Diablo game. The fourth word, nominate. Nominate means to appoint or propose for an honor. Not honor, honor. Good. He was nominated for an Academy Award. The fifth and the last word, mesmerized. And the definition of this last word is, it means capturing someone's complete attention as if by magic. Sentence example. I was mesmerized by the beauty of the all-new Nissan Almera. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Comment down below of what word you want me to explain. I'll see you again in the next video.